pike-up headstand. In order to pike up into headstand, we do require to tuck in our shirts, usually, but we require a pretty drastic shift of the hips in the direction that you don't want to go. In the direction that says I'm falling, that, you know, falling over. But it's something that you will get the hang of practicing at a wall. I'm going to show you here because it'll be a little bit easier to demonstrate. I start out with my palms up and I press the backs of my forearms into the floor. Then I interlace my fingers. Take the crown of the head down onto the floor, not in the hands. And I am on the very center of the top of my head, but I'm pushing down a little bit more for the front of that center point. Now I'm tiptoeing forward, and you can see how much my hips have to displace to make it up to this headstand. All right, this is all core once I get to that point. And then it's all control. You see my hips have to shift in the opposite direction as my legs go up. So if my hips stayed that far over, I would be over by now. All right, so that's the pike up. The pike it down, sometimes even harder, okay? Let's give it a go. We have to shift the hips in that same direction overhead again. Okay. Out of practice, but you get the picture. All right, I'll show you in class sometime. If you continue to shift your hips in that direction, you can control the balance so that you can lightly set the feet down, okay? So, pike-up headstand. Play with that.